Hello guys, welcome back again. I hope you are all doing good. We thank the Almighty. And I welcome all of you back to this tutorial. And in this tutorial, we will be looking at how to design a book mockup. Or let's say a book cover design. Yes, a book cover design. You may have, as a graphic designer, you may have a client that wants you to design a book cover for him, or even a publisher would like to get a book cover from a graphic designer if he or she cannot design one by herself. So if you can do such tasks for a publisher or a client, it means you are actually going to get paid. So without further ado, let's get our picsArt application launched. So we launch our picsArt application. You wait for it to load, then you tap on the add sign. Then I have a background that I want to use for this. So I want to use this background, but you have to adjust the size of it to give it a better dimension. And you know how books are in. So with this one, let's take a square. So a square shape, and let's reposition it like this. So you tap on a check sign mark. So with this one, we are not going to do much about it, but let's add our title. So with this information too, your client is going to give you maybe the title of the book and maybe the name of that writer. So with this one, I want to write a book about how to make a good money. How to make a good money. How to make good money. Let's say how to make good money. So we tap on a check mark sign. So we readjust this to give it a better visibility. Let's also change the font to a better one. So how to make, I think let's use this font. So let's give it a stroke, and also let's turn on shadow effect. Then we increase the opacity, then drop the blendness more. Yeah, I think it's looking okay. So we reposition it how we want it to look. I think it has to come here. How to make good money. So on our next test, we add good money. Good money. Money is very necessary. So we adjust the size. I actually want it to look like this. I want it to look like this. Oh, no. So let's continue. So let's get a better font for this, and we are good to go. Let's get a better font to this. How to make good money. I think this look okay. So let's turn on stroke. and also turn on our shadow to give it a better visibility. So as usual, increase the opacity and drop the blurriness. How to make good money. I think this look amazing. Then from here we add the name of the writer. So we still add text. We still add text. We still add text. So written by. In this case, let's assume I wrote the book myself. So I put my name. Then tap on a check mark sign. So let's get put on stroke, and after this you put on image shadow actually to give it, as usual, increase the opacity and drop the blurriness. Yes, and I think it is okay and we are good to go. And we are good to go. So with this, we tap on a check mark sign and let's get something clear here. It might not work with your app because yours is not the premium app, but as mine is the premium, I have control over most of the effects. So I want to use HDR for this. So I want this to look like this, or also I could use smart blur. I think this is not looking okay, but let's use the HDR and tap on a check mark sign. So with this one, we get our design or our book cover downloaded to our gallery. Then we proceed. Alright, so as we are done with our design, let's proceed. This is a new thing where we are going to get the book mockup to put our design in. So we search on Google for smart mockups. So wait for it to load and we tap on their link so that it loads us into their general page. So at this page you see what I was saying the last time in picsArt application. Those mockups with the king size symbol and also a pro attached to them, ignore them, because when you use them you won't be able to save your design unless you pay for them. So come here and search for book mockup. Book mockup. So you could see square books mockup, and as our design is in a square form, it's better we use square books mockup. So tap on the square books mockup and load. So these books, you can use any of them to get a better look. So let's try this to see. So we wait for it to load, then we upload our design into it. Yes, so it is loading. So we move here and we tap on upload image. It will take us to our gallery. Then from there we search our design. Here we search our design, and here is our design that we want to use, that we just created with picsArt application. So we tap on it, then the magics happen. So this, we have our mockup ready. So when it's ready like this, you come here, you tap on the download button. Don't use those specs or those qualities attached with the king symbol. Those are premium and you have to pay for them. When you use them, you won't be able to save your work. So tap on medium and wait for you to get notification that if download into, yes, our design is downloaded. We can still use these mockups to, let's try this one too to see. It is done too. Very nice, very neat. Then we can download that one too. Yes, we could also use them as far as they are not attached with the king symbol. We could use them and you are going to get a very nice design. So watch this tutorial and do your assignment, and we meet on our next tutorial. Once again, my name is AB Designs and I am your mentor for this training. See you again. Until then, keep spreading the peace.